Heck, man. American Pickers ain't got nothing on me, man. Hello, fellow junkers, scrappers, resellers, flea market, yard sellers. Just all around, man. All my little junker friends around the world, man. So we're back at it, man. Welcome to the show. Actually, just hauling in loads. Skipped yesterday because I had delivery coming. That's what's nice when you do a sellout at your kid's place or anything like that. You ain't got to jump right back on it. Been hauling stuff back in, putting some in the shed here. Separated, got rid of a ton of stuff, man. If you don't watch our other channel, because I actually did some of the, you can go over to Idaho Hillbilly and check out some of the footage from the sale. It turned out great, man, other than we just brought in locals. A bunch of locals. It turned out good. Got rid of a lot of stuff. Cleared out a bunch. And now, we weren't planning on it because it's me and Miss Kitty's 29th wedding anniversary on Thursday, on the 4th of July. And we'd said a couple of years ago we weren't going to set up anymore, but it's hard when that's how you make your living, and opportunities on 4th of July or so. You know, there's so many places you can set up and sell. So, man, if you're thinking about selling, man, 4th of July is a great day, man. Especially if you get in any of the festivities, you know, get into the mix. And we're kicking around right now, setting up on the 4th of July. Today, we just went and got that load. Just hauled some stuff in. Miss Kitty's in there taking some pictures to get some stuff on eBay. Man, we're having a huge 4th of July sale on the eBay. You can check out the link below. I think I got 500 items at 50% off, man. So there's some smoking deals on there. There's stuff that you could get and make money on. I mean, there's, you know, stuff for yourself, stuff for just stuff, man. Lots and lots of stuff. Man, there's some good stuff on there. So check it out. But other than that, I just took some stuff. She's taking pictures. We're going to spend the rest of the afternoon list. Got to get stuff on there, you know, keep everything rolling along. And then in the morning, temps are up. Tomorrow, actually, we got a little cool down. It's only supposed to be 79 or something tomorrow. Today's not too bad. Yesterday was pretty dang warm. And then then the heat's coming, man. So, but it's looking like we're probably going to end up setting up on our anniversary. Oh, and that's what I was going to actually talk about. What we're doing is, back in our flea market days, actually kind of when we were we'd still do it even in the, when we were in the motor home, but out in down in Mountain Home, Idaho. I don't know if they still do it. I haven't talked to a lot of my flea market friends from down there. Need to check on a bunch of them, actually. Haven't seen them for a long time, but anyway, in Mountain Home on Saturdays, we used to cruise in there, and you'd get in there before the sun came up. You know, it's kind of like how they do it back in the East, and there's a little park there, and you throw your stuff out, and, man, about the time the sun comes up, man, first thing in the morning, you know, between 7 and 8 o'clock, man, here they come, just crowds, man. You're just wheeling into dealing, and then about 11 o'clock, man, they start clearing out, and by noon, man, it's, crickets. And you just throw your stuff back in. Well, when we do those, we'd, you know, obviously set up. You don't go in there hauling because it's just a one-day thing. And me and Miss Kitty were talking, and I think we're going to go through our stuff and get set up to do one-day sales, and then actually cruise around and do some one-day sales. Not every week or anything like that, but as they come. And that's what we're talking about doing on the 4th of July. Probably going to set up, you know, early in the morning, sell till, you know, on that day, there'll be so much stuff going on at the festival that we're thinking about setting up on that, you know, we'll kind of play it by ear, man. As long as people are handing me money, I'm hanging out. But, man, as soon as it, you know, if it starts quieting down, then we can just throw our stuff in the van and have it all to where we can just get it in our Sienna van. So, excuse me. So, man, that's the plan. So, probably show some of that tomorrow. I just wanted to get something on here, let you know what was going on. Like I said, put a couple of pretty cool videos out there at the yard sale that you can go check out at the Idaho Hillbilly. I think I put that link down below too for you. check out that. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Helps keep the lights on, the home fires burning. And good Lord willing, and the creeks don't rise. We'll see you when we see you. See ya.